Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a sample building, PDF CAD drawing, and overlay cameras on top of that CAD drawing. So what you'll need to do is you can do it one of a couple different ways. You can right click on layouts, and from there go new layout. You can drag a couple of cameras over, so if I wanted to drag a couple cameras, save that layout, right click, save layout. But for the essence of time today, I'm just going to right click on new layout, name it test layout or whatever you'd like. Click OK, open up that test layout. Right click on that layout, go to layout settings, go to background, go browse. Then as you can see, I have a sample building with icons. Open that, click OK, and you can see they're actually overlaid on that. From there, if you wanted to, you could actually assign different cameras to different zones. So if I said that this camera's here, stairwell is here, parts cage is here, and so forth. So you can actually overlay live imagery cameras on top of a CAD drawing this way. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.